think I'm getting fat. I think I'm getting man boobs. Honey, do you think I'm getting fat?
Oh, I love your man boobs. So sexy.
Well, you might think it's sexy, but to scratch the ring, it doesn't fit my finger anymore. And you don't want the sexy dad bod to be walking around attracting all this attention with this ring on, do ya?
Well, no, not really. But I'm not that worried about it. You create a natural repellent. Comes out from your butt every about 5 minutes or so. Aw, how romantic.
Speaking of being romantic, do you remember the time when I proposed?
Of course. Aw, it was so wonderful. Up there in the mountains, surrounded by all the trees. Beautiful, gorgeous, very romantic.
Well, I found this company named Friends in Irony, and they can laser engrave trees and mountain scenes on tungsten carbide rings, and they never scratch. It's as hard as a diamond. Here, take a look. I'll see about placing my wedding band with the size up.
Oh, that is gorgeous. That design really brings back a lot of beautiful memories. I still hold you to those promises you made to me that day.
You can count on me, my love. I meant every word.